This IOX installation video is designed to be used when attempting an installation in a vehicle, used in combination with the Geotab Go device and a certified Geotab IOX DJ harness. The DICKEY-john control point system provides power to control granular and liquid material application rates, spinner speed, and spread width. Installation of the IOX DJ requires the installer to have sufficient technical knowledge and expertise for mobile device installation and integration into modern vehicles, i.e., certified Geotab installer certification or equivalent. Find an optimal location for install where GPS and cell connectivity are available. Start with the Geotab Go device unplugged from the vehicle. Remove the IOX expansion port cover on your Go device. Plug in the 90-degree USB connector of the IOX Go device. Note, the USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation, as shown here. Secure the USB connector using a zip tie. Place the zip tie around the Go device and the harness. Ensure that the zip tie lays in the grooved space, both on the Go device and on the head of the harness. Be sure that the zip tie fits snugged around both ports, while being careful not to over-tighten it, thereby possibly damaging the USB connector. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Locate the DICKEY-john unit and the DB9 connector coming from the DICKEY-john unit. Find a safe path from the Go device to the DJ unit for the IOX DJ harness, where the connection can be done safely. Keep in mind, the location you have chosen for the Go device will influence the locations available to mount the accessory due to the length of the wiring on the IOX DJ. The installation must not interfere with safe vehicle operation. It may be necessary to use an RS-232 extension cable in some applications, depending on where the DICKEY-john controller is mounted. Please ensure that the extension cable is a pass-through or straight-through cable. Connect the female RS-232 connector from the IOX DJ to the male RS-232 connector found on the DICKEY-john control point control system. Note: this DB9 connector will not provide power to any connected third-party device. Power must be supplied separately. The two external red and black wires on the IOX DJ are not required for supplying power to the DICKEY-john controller. Use zip ties and electrical tape to secure the two connectors safely. Once your connections to the IOX DJ wiring have been made and is safely secured, locate the diagnostic port of the vehicle under the dashboard and plug in the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps and all LEDs will flash. Start the vehicle immediately. The IOX will enter self-learn mode and your Go device will enter debug mode. You'll now see a screen displaying the current status of the device. If the device is communicating correctly, you will see green lettering on the last valid GPS record. If the text appears red, the device is unable to communicate and you must verify the installation. Next, secure the Go device by using a zip tie around the diagnostic port and the Go device. Be sure that the zip tie is tightened securely and fits snug around both parts. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Check to ensure that the device is now secure. The installation is now complete.